we back with another video, man. See what we got here. I ain't showed y'all this yet. I ain't been on YouTube in so long. It's been a little minute for real, but I do a little POV. I'm just letting y'all check out the cat. Big cat, big cat, big cat. And we go wild body wheels on the cat, y'all. Man, this is what we got going. We getting it clean right now. 30. Nasty. Big cat. Got my boy Zazilla pulling up. Y'all go subscribe to his YouTube channel, man. Today we're gonna be taking the hood off the cat. Boom. As y'all can see, we got the hood off the cat, man. She about to be breathing way loud. Like I said, I'm about to give y'all inside POV. I'm gonna be holding the phone. All right, y'all. So we in the big cat. Big Cadillac. Yeah, baby. Ah, man. We got Zah behind us. Let me see if I can make this turn. Nope. Y'all, this one sound crazy without the hood. He back there going crazy and shit. Nasty. Look at that big Cadillac. Got my boy Zah right here. Peep the views though, like this shit here nasty. Ready that motherfucking nephew? Nothing but bad shit, by the way. Cat talk. They go 20 miles worth of gas right there. Y'all, the gas in this cat is crazy, bro. The gas in this cat is ridiculous. Like, if y'all want a cat, really make sure, like, yeah. It's weird because it's like I fill up and then I drive more. So it's like, I gotta find that balance because I can't keep doing this. I was getting nasty back there. Bro, this shit so loud, bro. This fucking car so loud. Another thing too, if you got a slim body, go ahead and get them wide body rims on there. You might not like the look. God damn. You might not like the look, but this bitch corner way better. Like, I'm talking about 150 in the corner, just like this. Ugly. This bitch so nasty. Said turn left here, tripping. Uh-oh. Twin! That nigga be mad as hell when I see old Camaros and I be calling that his twins and shit. Downshift so crazy. Like, the crazy thing is this shit don't pop either. Like, it don't pop. Like my 392, it had like a little burble to it, but this shit only pop like when I'm downshifting. It look like a big ass smack. even hear my shit when he next to me. I'm gonna get that footage from this. That shit sound crazy. We just not leaving the mall and shit. Wow. You know, we only ride one way. Sports. Y'all let me know in the chat if y'all ride. If y'all got a cat, scat, whatever. Let me know if y'all ride in sport, cause I ride sport all the time. That's my go-to mode for real. Now we back in traffic, stuck in the light. We're just gonna go straight down, all the way, straight all the way. We're stuck at a light, bro. I'm full, I'm bloated, bro. We had some I don't know, but I think all balls. Look at that super. That shit nasty. I think nah. I think all malls got like a little Chinese spots, and that's what we just had. Some Chinese inside the mall and shit. YouTube, we about to go pull up on my boy. He over here downtown and shit. He just wide body his SR-5292 Challenger. But we still got Zazilla behind us. But yeah, I know I ain't really been talking that much in this video, but I mean that's the purpose though. I'm giving y'all POV of the cat. And y'all it's gonna be more videos coming of the cat soon. So y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe on the video, man. And I'm gonna try to do one of these like at least once a week. And y'all can let me know what y'all wanna see. Y'all wanna see me cut up? I got a GoPro, I got a head mount, I got whatever, you know what I'm saying? I can hook whatever up in the car. Y'all wanna see reactions, me giving people rides. I also do slide, I be going to legal pits. Got nasty. I also do go to legal pits, and me and bro do be sliding, like whatever, like circles, around cars, whatever, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, we really be sliding for real. So yeah, like, if that's the content y'all want to see, y'all let me know. I'll push it out, like, yeah.